motherfuckers. All right, YouTube's heading out. I got a fridge. They're saying the doors won't close. And she sent me a little video on it, like a text message. And it looks like that middle divider between the two doors, it's a two-door reach-in. And it looks like the middle divider has come loose. I think it's a turbo air fridge. So let's get out here and see what we're getting into. Then I got a bunch of the CLD doors to fix on that walk-in box where I had done that maintenance. I got the parts in for those. We can take a look at that. And I got a couple door gaskets on a True I gotta do. It's Sunday morning. I didn't have a video this morning. Maybe I'll get this one out tonight. And it's 8 in the morning because I had to walk the dog. I had the dog out walking and we went on a really long walk. And what do you think about that, huh? Geese are migrating and the whole 9 yards. It was really nice. It's gonna be nice here today. I think we're gonna be about 84 degrees today. So it's gonna be super nice day. Super duper nice day. But let's get out there. We're just gonna go right up the street here, not too far. Short commute today. Let's grab Tipo. There's our door gaskets. There's our door parts, door closer parts. Yep, the van's a mess because we've been busy like you guys. Oh, don't you go tipping on me, Tipo. Look at him. You little rascal. His guts are falling out. Yeah, you guys know it's been a busy summer. All right, let's the drawer being popped out's bugging me. Oh yeah. The gallow gun guards. I got a tie wrap, little bread ties. That's all garbage. Those are garbage. This was bugging me though. All right, get that back in there. That guy'd stand up. All right, it's a little better. You guys know how it is. Busy. Busy. Restroom for customers only. That means trolls. Stay out, trolls. Look at that customer. I have a key to this place from the customer. Because they know I like to come in when they're not working. Well, let's come over here. Pretty sure she said it was this first one. Just giving them some troubles. It's at 40, so it's keeping temp. Oh yeah. Maybe not this one. That feels solid. Maybe this one? Oh yeah. See the you can see the gaskets not sealing. Huh. Unless you meant the freezer. Is the freezer a 2-door or a 3-door? Oh. Okay, here we go, freezer. True freezer. Oh yeah. That's what she's talking about. This thing's beat. Let me check the video she sent me. So I just checked the video she sent me, and it's actually this little reach-in right here. This little Turbo Air 3-door makeup station. And I think it's this dude right here. Look at that, it's all over the place. So now I gotta try and figure out how is that attached. I might have to buy some L brackets. Oh, the only thing holding it in right now are the clips for the shelving. Because it's all deteriorated. I wonder if I could find something up there got beat to shit and broke. Look. There's nothing on there. Could go a piece of flat from the back. You want that right there. Because you want it to seal at the top. Wow, this thing's hookied. Yeah, she's beat. So the only thing holding it up right now are the clips for the shelving. Maybe get a couple little L brackets and screw up and screw in. Try that. Maybe get four for her. All right, looks like we're gonna make a trip to the hardware store. Looks like we're gonna be a Home Depot customer. Let's do it. See here if I got I think I got some stainless steel self-tappers. Okay, we got those in stainless. This is my little NorCal's hardware section. So I do got some stainless steel self-tappers. I just need to get some little L brackets. All right, how's this? So I'm right here working, right there. And I just remembered, I thought I was too early, but since I got a late start, right over here is a Ace Hardware. So let's go in there and find some L brackets. I'm gonna get 4 little L's. And let's see if we can shore this thing up for her. It's gonna be, hey everybody, welcome to the Mickey Mouse Show. Yeah. I'm gonna do some Mickey Mouse. Let's do it. So I got all these different ones. I was thinking of doing these 1.5-inchers because they're wide. You get multiple screw ports and a bunch of caulking, and we'll jack it too. Let's do it. Now here's what we got. We scored this Loctite power grab. We'll try and seal up a bunch of stuff, see if we can get it to stick. Because you know what happens on the cook's line. They're slamming and bamming, beating the crap out of stuff. And there's no way to get around it. So we'll see if we can hooky-low this thing. And, you know, just try your best. We'll see how it comes out. Let's get in there. I'm going to throw the knee pads on and some other goodies. All right, we got our brackets in. Let's hold it tight. Yeah, tight as it can be. That'll work. Yep, that's a good fit all the way. Yep. All right, I like it. All right, we Mickey Moused that thing with 4 brackets, the wider ones, and some of that Loctite super glue stuff. It's holding pretty damn good. The screws went into the stainless, so we'll see how they beat the crap out of it, but yeah, that'll get them down the road for a little bit longer. We're gonna head out here. I got 2 door gaskets to do before the taqueria. Well, they open at 9, but hopefully they don't have a big early morning rush, and I can get these door gaskets changed out on the main cook's line for the burrito, where they wrap up all the burritos. It's just a true 2 door gaskets. I should be able to crush it. It says, well, you never know when Mr. Murphy pops his face in, so that'll be the next one. Get some NorCal. Whoa, yeah, baby. All right, well, since I got a nice little drive here to the next job, let's talk about, so there's been a bunch of videos from all the Harley-Davidson creators about Harley-Davidson going woke, and the CEO's a true believer in the wokeness and the DEI stuff. And so here's my take on all of it. I guess some content creator, Barbie Stardust or something, did a bunch of videos on it, and they're trying to get all the hillbillies to boycott Harley-Davidson. You can see by my hat, I'm not boycotting. Life's too short to get your knickers in a bunch. As long as I don't find out there's nothing going on with children, I could care less. You know, I'm all for whoever you are, whoever you want to be, as long as you're not hurting people. I'm all for it. The part where Harley-Davidson should get some heat, though, is for moving the manufacturing of the Revolution Max engine bikes. So that'll be the Sportsters and the Pan America, are going to be next year manufactured in Thailand and then shipped back to the United States. I'm a diehard union guy. That's not cool. That's not good. No one should purchase those bikes. You walk into a Harley-Davidson dealership, and they're just right now making a lot of those dealers spend millions of dollars on a remodel, you know, to fit the franchise, is making them do it. And then we're gonna walk in there and see tags on those bikes made in Thailand. How's that gonna go over? So they're saying it's temporary and the jobs come back, so I'll hold off getting too mad. If it's just for 1 year and then 2026 they're remanufacturing those bikes in the United States, fair enough. As long as they're open about it. But if they lied to the union again, because they had said before that no bikes would be made in that factory in Thailand and shipped back to the United States. So they've already gone backwards on that. And it's all about dollars, right? You got workers in Thailand that you don't have to pay retirement to, you don't have to pay the union package to. And then they're getting the bikes built for less money, so there's more profit on the back end of the bikes. I'm not into that. The woke stuff I don't care about. So I'm not boycotting Harley-Davidson. I'm riding my bikes. Matter of fact, I went to the local dealership yesterday. They looked busy to me. Ton of bikes, ton of people. I dropped a bunch of money in there on parts because my bike's getting up to 50,000 miles. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a bunch of work. I'm going to change out the compensator. I'm going to change out my clutch plates, my primary chain tensioner. So that whole side of the motor inside there is going to get freshened up as like a maintenance type deal. I'm going to do my brake rotors, brake pads, wheel bearings while the wheels are off. I'm going to do all that myself. I'll make videos of it, and we can do an autopsy on all the parts and see how they've worn. Nothing's failed. It's all working. I took delivery of that bike pre-pandemic, just before the pandemic. I got that bike in December of 2019. Pre-pandemic. And then no sooner than I was breaking that bike in and getting started on that bike, the pandemic hit. So it's been a good motorcycle. I got these CDS doors. They're really not that bad to work on. So what I'll do is let me close these real quick. So I've already done one. This is how simple these ones are. Grab some needle nose pliers. On this style I have, well, there's supposed to be a plastic retainer up here. that's missing. This one has it. See that plastic retainer? It's usually you just pull that retainer off. That's your safety. And put it back. So this one's missing. That one has it. So you pull the plastic retainer out here. Now you can lift the door up and kick the bottom out to get it out of the tensioner. So I'm going to lift up, pull out, and then we'll get it on the ground. All right, once you get the door out, lift up. So lift up, kick out, get the door down, pull your torque rod out. I'm keeping my pile of my dead ones here. The closer is just 2 screws on the bottom, 2 Phillips. Take those out, put the new one in, screw it back down. Get your new torque rod. Look, we only got one left. New torque rod. Can only go in one way. Has a square opening. Get her up in there. And then the square opening. And then I like to tap them and try and get it flush. Yeah, don't break the window. There, get it flush. Zoom in, iPhone. There. What I'll do is I'll put the bottom in. The top just pushes in with your finger. I'll get the bottom in, and then I'll just push this down and slide it in. And then the door's back in. Set the tension. They have a little tool that goes in between the 2 nipples right there. In between those 2 nipples. It says 3 times. I just use a 1/8" T-handled Allen. Fits right in there. So you go 1, 2, 3. They usually say 3 will do it. Here she comes. It's really not that bad on these. Not that bad at all. I got one more door to do. Beep. Okay, 2 down, 1 to go.